fraud. That Philo da puta has been exposed. Yeah? This guy is a fraud. And there's so many Arsenal fans like this, yeah? Pretending like they care about the club, but all they care about is this. That's all they care about. They have no loyalty to the club. They don't care about what they spill as long as they make some money. Let's get into it.
Short takes when I'm actually, talking about it for over an hour. A 20-second take of speaking about, the team of the table for the longest should win the Premier League, bro. That's a joke. You know what a joke is?
Oh, it's a joke now. What you put up on TikTok, yeah, getting overexcited, spilling out all this crap, trying to influence young Arsenal fans on TikTok. Oh, it's a joke. So when you said we went invincible, it was a joke. When you said we're going to do the treble, it was a joke. When you said that Saliba's better than Van Dijk, it was a joke. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, no, don't go anywhere. Do not go anywhere.
Just every TikTok,
listen to your TikTok.
Every TikTok, yeah, is something that you have to take seriously. Okay? I don't know why you're laughing. I don't know why you're laughing. Okay?
Because you just said, listen to my takes on YouTube, not my takes on TikTok. So you're basically saying I'm a liar on TikTok. Thank you.
No, he's saying it's
absolute fraud. Yeah. And these are the people that the majority of this fan base listen to. People like Dowd that admitted that he doesn't give his real takes on TikTok. Yeah. And he just does it for clout and entertainment. Let's keep going because he absolutely exposed himself. And he's got the audacity, that Philo da puta's got the audacity to come for me when I'm being honest about my opinion. When I'm not using this fan base just for clout, I'm saying how I really feel, even when it's not popular. These are the people we need out of the fan base. They are fraudsters and fakes. And all they care about is their own pocket. They won't be honest. Yeah, they're not honest. They are flip-flops and they're fake. They go with the crowd and whatever's popular instead of saying what is better for Arsenal Football Club to succeed and win trophies. And I'm clipping.
Do you go to TikTok to gain knowledge for football?
No, I want to hear what the top are saying because all of them rally up behind you.
Huh? So you clearly use knowledge. You have to go on TikTok to football knowledge.
No, you just admitted that you use TikTok to speak nonsense.
Yeah, there's a lot
cool.
of it.
Yeah. If you look at my actual takes on football, check them out when I go to other people's YouTube channel. That's my actual takes. Okay.
So what is your actual take on TikTok then? What is it?
Just to make people laugh and just
so you're doing it for clout. Huh? So you're doing it for clout.
I do it for an entertainment basis.
Well done. I do it. Man said he puts up videos on TikTok making these stupid predictions and gassing his team for entertainment, and it's not his real opinion. His real opinion is on YouTube. Absolute fraud. And this is what I'm saying about these people, yeah? They are fake. They don't say it as it is. They don't be honest. They don't care about the betterment of the football club. All they care about is getting more money in their bank account and making $1 out of Arsenal fans. He's an absolute fraud. And thank you very much because I got the receipts. Northside, a.k.a. Mr. Receipts, yeah? Because we spit the real here. We want Arsenal to succeed. Yeah, I don't care if I don't go full-time with YouTube. I care about Arsenal winning. I care about my club winning trophies, winning major honors. While you're sitting on your platform, yeah, to deceive young Arsenal fans on TikTok, you absolute bum, so Philo da puta. Yeah, absolute fraud, bro. And there's loads of accounts that are like this. Loads of Arsenal accounts that are like this. They don't care about us winning, bro. They don't care. They'll say what's popular and they don't care, bro. They do not care. And then they got the audacity to call us fake. Yeah? We stick to our opinion, even when it wasn't popular. Calling out this club, calling out the fact this manager's not good enough. The bench ain't good enough. Yeah? Philo da puta, don't ever come for me. You fake ass, Philo da puta, Black Homer Simpson, that merda, don't ever come for me. You know what I'm saying? They're fake, bro. They're fake. They don't care about this club.
The funny thing is, we have so many fans that actually feel like this manager can't make mistakes. He doesn't make mistakes. So many fans feel like the manager can't make mistakes. He can't go wrong. Whatever he does is right. Come on, man. Arteta is a human being. Mikel Arteta is a human being. He makes mistakes. He gets things wrong. Even the best of managers in the world get things wrong. And there are so many Arsenal fans that act like they love the club more than any other person. But they don't actually love the club. There are so many fans on Facebook, Twitter. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro. Go ahead.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
There's so many fans on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok who just do this whole thing for the clout. You know? Popular opinion. Whatever goes. what people want to hear. You get me? And they just
Payment, and don't take it serious. And it's not my real opinion. I'm just doing it for fun. For fun. Lowering the standards of our club. We haven't won a major honor in 20 years. We've never won nothing apart from the Cup Winners' Cup in Europe. A competition that doesn't even exist anymore. And you're telling me you're doing it for fun. And then you come on YouTube and then you try and call people out. Yeah? Go sort your hairline out, so filo da puta. Why don't you go and do that? Why don't you go down to Brixton Market and sort that hairline out before you try and talk to me and try and sort out my standards? Yeah? Our standards are correct, bro. About winning major honors. What's this guy talking about? Up next.
He's going to be a free agent in June when his contract expires with PSG. So now in the January transfer window, he can negotiate with teams abroad to sign as a free agent. So Liverpool and Real Madrid are two most likely teams that he will go to. Why are we not all over this? We need a striker. We're a European giant. We've got the money. Why are we not all over this Kylian Mbappe signing? His best mates with William Saliba. He's got that French connection. I also don't have that French connection. We've signed players like Thierry Henry, Robert Perez. You know, so many French players over the years. Why are we not linked with him? He was so close to signing with us when he was like 16, 17 years of age when he was at Monaco. World-class players like Kylian Mbappe need to come to Arsenal. Kylian Mbappe is a missing piece. If we have in our team Mbappe, Martinelli, Saka, front three, that's going to cause havoc. Splash
The reason we're not splashing the money, filo da puta, because you guys like to big up standard average players and waste money on players you've never seen play. Yeah, like Fabi Vieira, Kivio, etc. Yeah, and the reason we're not getting a striker is because you, filos da puta, once Nkea's contract ran out, you wanted the club to go re-sign him, and you said, "Oh, well done, we re-signed him to a new contract." You guys don't push this club to be great and go and get proper players. That is why we're not going to go out and get it. Yeah, because you guys ain't got the standards. You guys want to lap up, oh, Nketiah, he can do a job. Oh, Nketiah in the room making stupid TikTok songs. It's annoying, bro. And now you want to scream about you want a new striker. No, back your striker. He's only signed a contract a year ago. Back your striker. You guys told us that we're negative for not wanting him here. Now you want Mbappe. Now you want Osimhen. Now you want Tony. Oh, now you want a striker. So we were right. So we were right to say that Nketiah is not good enough. Fight to Manukuso filo da puta, bro. You know what I mean?
money cronkies. And Mbappe to Arsenal, who says no? Because I know Mbappe would be interested. Because we're in phase 5 right now. We're heading into phase 6. And if Mbappe comes, phase 6 is the final phase. That signing can take us to the next level. So Mbappe, if you're watching this video,
we are on to phase 8, phase 6. So we can go and buy him back. What is he talking about, bro? I swear these guys make it up, bro.
For real though.